to the studio.
Thank you, Eric. Now on Bounce, we're back with the owner of Honey Butter Bakery, Brandy Jones, showing us a little healthy kick tonight, you know, to the delight of Eric and Delano.
Right.
You're showing us how to make banana oatmeal breakfast muffins.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is take some fresh bananas and we're going to smash these up the best way you can.
Okay.
And you can do this with a fork, whatever smashes that works. You can even do it with a meat thing.
You don't need a
Nothing
official
special.
smasher,
Right.
if you will. You can use whatever you have, and everyone's got a fork.
Right.
You know what I mean? Everyone's got a fork.
So you get the smashed potatoes
Now,
going.
should these be a little ripe, like
I would
overly
say
ripe?
when they got some spots on it, that's the best.
Okay, when
I know
they have
a lot
some
of
spots.
Right, because a lot of people do not want
Because that makes them easier to mash.
mash, and the flavor
Is a little
more-
richer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
So get these
Going.
mashed potatoes. Oh my goodness. The mashed potatoes. That's it. Okay.
Clearly, Brandy's not buying this health kick either. She's making these special for folks who, you know, there's no flour in this. What
Right.
is this?
So this is we've taken regular oats and
Okay.
I have processed it in a food processor, or you can use a blender.
Okay.
And this is 2.5 cups. I have some plain non-fat Greek yogurt
which
in here.
normally, what would that be? Instead of Greek yogurt, normally what would you use?
This will be anything.
Okay.
It could be, well, we got
Something
eggs
a
and
little
everything.
more high calorie, I guess
Right,
is
yeah.
what I'm getting at.
Right.
About 2 minutes to go here. So we had 2.5 cups of the processed
And I got a 1/2 cup of
honey.
Honey.
A lot of people ask me all the time, can you do honey on Team No Sugar? Honey is a natural source of sugar, but it does pack some calories per serving. So you need to measure it out. 60 calories per tablespoon. Just a little trivia for you.
There you go.
And so you have added the honey and the processed oats. Now you're going to add the
This is some baking soda. That's
Baking
1 teaspoon.
soda.
2 tablespoons of
baking
powder.
powder.
Right.
Okay.
So the soda is to spread the muffins, and
Okay.
the powder is to rise.
All right,
We
'cause
got
we
some
want that.
flaxseed, ground flaxseed. Got to have your fiber.
Yes, and if you can't taste this, but it's a way to kind of sneak in the fiber with your kids, maybe perhaps with your spouse or someone like Delano who, you know, likes stroke on a platter. This is the way you sneak it in.
Sneak
then
it
you got a
in.
couple of eggs too, a minute here. You're mixing all this together. Are we going to add in these oats?
No, that was just to show you how the original
okay.
form.
So originally the oats look like this, folks, and she ground them down in a food processor or perhaps a blender.
Right. Whatever works.
And so
whatever
after
have
you
access
mix
to.
it, you take your little ice cream scoop.
Dip your little
and-
vanilla in there.
A little vanilla,
Yeah,
a little
gotta have
more
some
mix.
flavor.
And then you're taking an ice cream scoop of each, and then what are we baking these on?
350 for about
350.
15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Pop them in the oven.
And you don't want to make it too full because you got to give these bad boys room to rise.
Right.
And so this
These
is
are
the
the
finished
finished
product.
product.
Finished product there. Wow.
Delano, Eric, dig in. I had a little cheat test before the segment, and I liked it.
Oh, wonderful.
Wow.
I liked it. So
I
try
thought they were a
it.
little
Looks
healthy.
like
so.
little teeny pecan pies or
Oh,
something. there,
wow.
you
Well,
know?
that's one way of looking at it. What do you
Yeah.
think,
Yeah.
D-Man?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah.
Are you just saying that?
No, I like it a lot.
Okay.
It's good. It's good.
I said you
Brandy.
had to play it off if you didn't like it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching tonight on WBTV News on Bounce. Eric?
Very good.
Okay.
It really is.
Really
All right.
wonderful.
Hey.
We'll see you tomorrow night. Have a great one, folks.
Okay.